Okay. Class dismissed, I guess. Yeah, we don't have class anymore. Frank, what the heck?
Mr. Reed, what are you doing out of class? Mr. Reed, what you doing out of class?
I didn't want to be there.
What? Chuckie, what are you doing? Yeah. Man, come back here.
Wow, what's wrong with him?
He can't get me. You're going to jail, Chuckie. No, I'm not. What the heck? What the heck?
Okay, Chucky, where are you?
Yeah, what the heck? What the heck?
Okay, he'll turn it off.
Oh, you do realize I'm here, right?
No, not here, Joey.
I'm up here. I'm up here. Mr. Reed. Mr. Reed. Do you remember what got you to angry man in my class last time?
Yeah, I don't care.
Mr. Reed. Have you noticed that no one's trying to stop you from moving your house again?
No. They don't even care anymore.
That's what I mean.
What? You heard those stupid pigs are coming back, right?
What? Perhaps you never heard the joke. When the birds fly, I'm gonna tell you what. Where else do we ever want to go?
Wow. You told that same joke last time.
Actually, he didn't. Perhaps you never heard a joke. Okay, what? You go too fast. You're the bunny. You go No, I'm not. Bye.
Wow. Total jokes were so bad.
Mr. Wade, I'm just kidding. You're not going back to man's place.
Well, good. I didn't want to be there anyway. Huh.